Introducing Aerotech's groundbreaking BT400 NEX series of indirect fired heaters, making commercial heating more efficient and safer. Experience the pinnacle of engineering prowess as Aerotech seamlessly incorporates advanced microprocess technologies, setting new standards for performance. With precise temperature adjustments and optimized fuel consumption, the BT400 NEX series ensures efficient and reliable heating performance, even in the most challenging conditions, while reducing maintenance costs. Prioritizing safety with rigorous certification, Aerotech ensures unmatched standards are met. With improved efficiency, it now costs less to operate. Dealing with heating problems? With the Herman Nelson, it's never been simpler. Learn more about the Herman Nelson BT400 NEX series of indirect fired heaters by downloading the executive summary today or contacting our office directly. We are happy to answer your questions.